ever address the racism that's at the Fremont plant for Tesla factory?
Not yet. Honestly, I done Tesla only once on a YouTube video,
Yeah.
but I'm not. So this one, I just got it so cheap. That's why I'm making video about it. But I'm not. I'm not deep with that information. So guys, today I have an interesting video. It's gonna be kind of project. So I bought the cheapest Tesla S in the United States. We're gonna check it out. I'm gonna show you a lot of things. Let's go. So as always, I've been browsing the auto auctions and I found this 2013 Tesla S Performance. And when I checked the pictures, the car looks good and it shows P85 plus, which is not bad at all. After that, I checked the car's completely nope, vehicle's completely nope, no battery issue. Vehicle doesn't move at all, unable to test any electrical components. In nope, no start, and flatbed transportation required. Vehicle does not move. That's basically was my trigger. So I was thinking to buy the Tesla, the cheapest one on the market I can find. And it's supposed to be clean title, not salvage title. I don't like any other auction with salvage titles, only clean title car. So this car in op Tesla S Performance, I think one of the best decision I made for now. So it's a white pearl Performance. Look at the color, look at the condition. And again, in op, VS inspected, don't close the door. DS trans noise, I don't know what is that, but they cross it, so probably no noise. PC, kick, electrical, something, motor, bad. So am I gonna have a main drive motor bad? Might not. We're gonna check it out. So guys, I got this car for $7,000. It was my bid. The car completely in op, and they put it as a tow required. So basically flatbed required for this car since it's completely in op. And right now you're gonna see my screen from the phone, and that's the CR for this car. Again, when I check it online, the car was completely good outside, but only electrical issue. It's not a problem because I do have a friend who's working on a Tesla. Let's check it out. So the car completely in op, and the original charger is missing. The battery, the small battery is dead. I got this Nissan charger and I get adapter. So the car got delivered all the way from San Francisco. Basically $7,000 for the car plus auction fee and transportation from San Francisco to Los Angeles. Now the car is here, and I didn't tell the guy the car completely in op. I just told him, you know, the battery that tried to jump it. So he jumped it, and the car actually drove to the truck and all the way to my lot. Right now we're gonna try to jump start it and put it on the charge. So basically when the car is dead, the small battery completely dead, you have to plug the jumper and just leave it for a little bit. But the Tesla, usually you plug it in, you wait in maybe 1-2 minutes and it's good to go. You can try to move it, but we're gonna check it out if I able to move it or not. Maybe there is a main battery issue and the car is completely dead. That's what I hope not gonna happen with me, but who knows, the car for $7,000. So we are inside the car right now. It shows 0 miles range, electrical system power reduced. I see the sun visors missing, there is a central console is missing, and there is one tail light is missing. The screen is good, it's working, and it's actually in a great shape. Looks like it's been replaced. Otherwise, why it's like brand new, the cluster and the main screen. What about the mileage? The mileage we got 60,570. It's been announced, but in reality we have 73,037 miles on this car, and it shows P85, not P85 plus. But who cares? $7,000 Tesla, why not? So as we can see right now, the car is alive, but the main problem I have, it's a small battery dead. So basically I have to order the battery right now, get the new one, replace it, and also I have to plug it and charge it. Since I have a 220 charger, I have to plug it on the 110, and I don't have a Tesla charger, so basically I'm gonna use a Nissan Leaf charger with adapter. We're gonna charge it, replace the battery, and see if the car works or not. It's gonna be quite seconds for you, but for me, it might gonna take 1 or 2 days. So that's the next step. We got to the supercharging station. The guy on the other one, he didn't let us go. We have to put it on a tow mode, otherwise it's gonna lock the brakes. So now we're gonna push it all the way down to the supercharge. Yeah, let's go. Should I hold it?
Hold the brakes for now.
Okay, and when you can both push it.
Yeah. Hold the brakes.
So guys, that's the huge update and probably the best news for those couple days. I have this Tesla S Performance. So basically right now car run and drive, and that's a quick preview. You probably see it on a video already. That's what's happened. Yesterday the car was delivered and they drove it from the truck to the lot and left the car with that battery. I put the jumper, I tried to drive it a little bit, but it was showing 0 range, but no errors for the big battery, the issue with the battery, stop driving or whatever. It's just showing 0 miles range, and the car cannot move at all. So I push it back to the wall, I plug it to the wall charger, the one I have available, but it was not enough for some reason, so the car was not charging at all. It was staying overnight plugged, but it didn't charge, 0. So today I went to Tesla dealership. I got brand new 12-volt battery from them. I know I can get aftermarket somewhere else cheaper, but anyway, so I got it there all together with taxes. I paid $195 for the new 12-volt battery. So I came back, installed it. I called my tow truck and I told them, you know, we have to go and take this car to the supercharging station, otherwise I'm not going to be able to drive it. So the guy came, he picked up the car, we went to one charging station. They didn't let us go in because they still doing the maintenance over there. They say you have to go somewhere else, and we went somewhere else. So we came to the other station, we pushed back the car and I plug it. So what's happened after I plug it, it was showing 0 miles range for the period of time. It's actually was showing the car is charging 250 miles an hour, but it was showing 0. So I got scared. I went to service mode. I checked all the alerts about it. Nothing says about the battery or about the charging. So the charging is good, and the service alerts I have, charging cable not connected, low voltage support full, that 12-volt battery. That's the previous from yesterday. There is nothing from today, and the car is charging 34 miles range right now, and it's keep growing. That's the best news for my 2 days of owning this Tesla S. So besides charging, what I'm gonna try to do right now, as you can see, we push it right away from the tow truck and the car is not straight. So I wanna be the nice Tesla owner. I wanna park it straight. So I'm gonna unplug the car right now, move it a little bit, park it straight and plug it back. And we're gonna wait until the car gonna get all the way to 100% and see what's the range on this 11 years old car for 7,000. Opa, 50 miles. We got 50 miles. Wow, the car is moving. Car is moving. That's insane. One of the best news for today. I have a Tesla S 2013 run and drive for $7,000, and it's a clean title and it has 73,000 miles only. So as you can see right now in the cluster, there's a 50 plus miles range. So car is charging, but it shows me high usage supercharge station, but we're still gonna put it on 100% just to charge it completely full and see what's the range gonna be with fully charged battery. So as the car fully alive right now, and around this drive looks like we're gonna go around while we're charging. We have time to do that, and I'm gonna show it to you what's the condition of this car. So as the car came from the auction yesterday, like I say, this tail light, somebody steal it, and there is some other parts being stolen from the car. It looks like it's during that period of time when the car been sitting at the auction completely dead. I called the auction, I tried to open arbitration. They basically say no, the car is sold as is and you can buy it and fix it yourself. That's what I did. So let's calculate how much money I spent and what else I have to buy. So the condition of the car, it's really good. What I have to do the detail. I bought the tail light. I paid $120 for the used one, $195. I got the battery 12 volt. I still have to put 2 front tires new, dual the alignment for that. It's going to be approximately about $300, and I just paid $200 for the tow truck. So not bad at all. But here on the
For
YouTube,
EVs, you ever address the racism that's at the Fremont plant or Tesla factory?
not yet. Honestly, I done Tesla only once on a YouTube video,
Yeah.
but I'm not. So this one, I just got it so cheap. That's why I'm making video about it. But I'm not. I'm not deep with that information.
I mean, people, I've seen EV reviewers review
the
the
Fremont.
Fiskars and all the
Uh-huh.
other ones, and they address things like the bankruptcy and stuff like that. But nobody ever addresses the racism that
Yeah.
is, and the really insidious racism that occurs at the Fremont plant.
Wow. No. So there is only few small scratches on the front bumper, I would say, as a paint defect, and maybe this plastic damage, it's cracked. So other than that, there is nothing else on the body. I have to spend money or fix it. It's gonna be like that. And as a cool point, I got 2 keys, and this car actually has a free supercharging for lifetime. So basically I'm paying $0 for the supercharging, and I don't even have to put this car on my account for Tesla because it's absolutely free.